Hi folks, it's me again, Mama Bear. I thought I would share another special place that's even closer to my home than the other one I showed yesterday. Just listen to the crickets, and it's gorgeous because it was raining. It's supposed to rain all day, but right now it's not, so I thought I'd take a walk. Just look at the raindrops on the pine needles. Too bad you can't smell how fresh it smells. Deer like to come down through here. Oh, a silkworm nest that has completely killed that tree. And there's a trail that goes up through the woods, which I am not doing today. I'm going to stay on the main path. I've done the trail. I've gone that direction. And it's nice. But it would be really difficult with the stroller. So we're gonna skip that. It is just so peaceful. Just listen to the rain hitting the leaves. Now, a few meters ahead, there's a little bridge. And under that bridge is a troll. Just kidding. Under the bridge is a small little creek that I've never seen get very flush with water, but it is at least a flowing water source. And if you follow the Druid path, you know that it is your job to guard these water sources. No matter how insignificant they might seem, they are special. Put a brake on the stroller so my son doesn't roll away. Like I said, it's not much, but the wildlife does utilize it and enjoy it. Sometimes you see deer tracks and frogs and snakes. It's starting to get cooler now. It's September 1st, 2017. And I think the snakes are starting to find burrows, but you never know because summer likes to hang on down here in the south, and we'll probably get some more 90-degree days before fall really kicks in. That's that side. Then over here is the other side. And this stream does get deeper on the other side of the neighborhood. Oh, look at that. It's like a little pool down there. One of these days, I'll take a walk to the other side where it's a little bit deeper. And actually, you can get ankle deep or so in it. I think this one might feed into the other one. And this video won't be as long as the one yesterday. Yeah. I just wanted to show you this last thing. It's unfortunate, but it's good. So there's a duality to it. near my house are these transmission lines. And while I don't particularly care for the transmission lines, I do love that they require a certain buffer, which means wildlife gets a break. And check this out. I hope it'll show up on camera because I certainly can't go through the brush to get to it, but right there. I'll zoom in. There's one of my totem animals. Miss Spider there, beautiful orb weaver, doing her thing. But yeah, nature gets a chance here, even though we do have the ugly transmission lines that some days you can hear crackling. I don't hear them today. I think you hear them more on dry days, which is always an uncomfortable sound, I think anyway. But here's the path back. And this is basically what I wanted to show you. And then up underneath the lines directly are just tons and tons of blackberries. Tons and tons of blackberries. Oh, now I can hear them. I don't know if you can hear it in the video or not, but I hope you've enjoyed this little video. I love the little natural forest around my house. Have a blessed day.